From the internet, I have installed the Git software. You see the downloads folder, and I'm going to I have downloaded the Git software. Now I'm going to install the software to my local machine. Just click on Run. The Git is one of the version control systems which is helpful for us whenever the development is being handled by multiple developers for a project. Suppose if 2 or 3 developers are doing the developments, and if all of them are changing the files at a time in the same named files, so there should not be any conflict with the development that they are doing. And also, if you want to go through the earlier versions of your developments and earlier commits, whatever changes you have done in the previous days or previous deployments to the various things, those versions, and look over those versions to various remote repositories systems like GitHub and GitLab, like many other softwares are also remote repositories also there. So through the Git, we will commit our codes to a local environment, and then from there we will push those to the remote origin repositories. Okay. Some problem about. Yeah. Just click on next. We need not to do much on this. Let's go with default options. Just installing a Git software now. In the meanwhile, let's create some sample project folder in one of our local drives. I'm choosing B drive. Take a new folder. First project. Now let's assume this is a project environment folder for the local environment. Can I go view the release notes? Yes. Then we can see whenever you right click in your project folder, you can see Git bash here. So once you see this, this is a kind of indication for you, like Git is successfully installed in your local machine, and now you can go ahead with the version control demo whenever we do some changes in our system. So assume, let me create some sample file here, text document. Let's write something there. Maybe it would not work. Writing as October. Save this file. Now I'm opening the Git bash here. So to make your local repository, to make any folder, is Git local repository. You have to initialize it with Git init command. So now it says the master. Once the Git is successfully initiated in your local folder, you will see some hidden file. in the folder here, head.git folder. So this will have all the configuration for your local repository, and there it will maintain all the Git data in this hidden folder. Okay. And now, if you do git status, you will see there is one file modified, which is in red. So it's not at staged. Staged means whenever you commit your code to a local repository, that level of stage means one level up, one level before you commit the code to a local repository, where you agree to the changes and you are ready to post them. So now from the initial stage, then what I'm doing is git add dot access to stage or local and stage the file to local repository. The status you can see here. Now it is in green. So the changes are committed to the local repository. Changes to be committed. Okay. And earlier it is in untracked file. It is not yet committed to any local repository. Now, F1M is the command that we are using. Option that we are using to give a comment along with the command. So the command that I'm going to give now is the first file. File1 update date. It is expecting us to declare some authentication to identify who are we. Let me just give some username. Is asking us to run the command git config global. Enter it in the double quotes. Okay. As we don't have a remote repository, for now we try to avoid this committing to the remote repository part. For now, let's focus on the committing the changes to the local repository. So, wherein this file is ready to commit, and this is a change in the master. Let me see if I can create a new branch. How we can create it? Big branch, developer 1.